Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change the color of an object in an image photography. Let's get started. I apply two ways. First of all, apply step 1, inserted any image, then step 1, click this icon whose saturation, lock, range and change, click car color, then drag, change the car color and click again Greenland. That's it. And step 2, click open again, open another image and use selected quick selection tool. Okay. Then change best way, press Ctrl J or duplicate layer and change to saturation again. Lock this icon and drag, then change. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.